This up the other day. My boy Eric bought it for me. It's a DVX 400. We put a bumper on it, grab bar.
Clean.
Full Yoshimura.
She's clean, but she's dirty.
Show them the pipe, baby. We got a full Yoshimura pipe.
Badass.
I don't know what else is done to her. First time in the trail. She's doing lovely. We got Nerf bars on her. We got the hand guards.
She rips.
The rental handlebars. We got a Bling Star front bumper when we get stuck, and Eric's got to pull my sorry ass out.
I will.
But yeah.
Yo, 4x4 will do it.
Show them. Over here, we got this beast of a beast, the C-Force 400.
Goes through anything.
We're out here in New York. We're not gonna tell you where, but we're in New York somewhere. Yeah, this thing's a monster. If I get stuck, pulls out the winch, we're good to go.
Hell yeah.
That's just a rundown. That's all you get, guys.
Water's really low, man.
Yeah. So this is what we're working with.
Oh shit, look at that stick, Shane.
Where?
Holy fuck.
Where, bro?
Holy fuck, Shane, I told you, man. Come over here.
Yo, where is it?
Yo, come over here, bro. Holy shit.
Yo, look at the fresh water.
Dude, look at the size of that fucking snake.
Where is it?
Come here, bro.
Yo.
Dude,
My man going
heart's pumping
crazy.
right now. Yo, come here.
Eric, tell me how you really feel, bro.
Yo, bro, look at the size of this snake.
Yeah.
Oh, more quabs.
Wait, are they supposed to be here?
I don't know. See.
No, it's all right.
Oh, it's property owners.
Hi. Hello.
They might be coming after us.
Don't be scared. Go in the deep end.
Look at that snake, bud.
Nah, go in the deep end.
Nah, I can't go in there.
Yo, burnout. Rip it. Gotta love these 4x4s, man. This water is crystal clear, boys. I don't know if you can see that. There's snakes everywhere. This is so cool. We're up there chilling. Yo, where do we just pull up?
My tires are getting real wore out.
Yo, Eric, where we at right now? What is this?
We are in Wurtsboro, New York.
Holy
We are at a sand pit.
shit, bro.
It took, what, 20 minutes to get here?
Listen, when we hit 1,000 subscribers, you see this hill? I'll climb this bitch. No, I'm just kidding, but I'll slide down it on my ass. This is crazy, bro.
Yo, hop on, bro. Let's go down. Let's go play.
Yo, we're gonna get some footage right here, boys.
Watch.
Woo! That looks like some jumps down there. We're gonna go down there right now.
Bring you to the top of the mountain first, bro.
We're gonna go down there right now and see what's up, bro.
We're gonna go play.
Let's get it.
Continue.
Eric on the 400. Woo! Yeah, this shit is crazy. I should steal this quad. Yo, Eric, I'm taking your shit, bro. Ha ha! Yeah, that happened. Don't tell nobody. Too bad. Woo. Do it again. Woo!
Yeah, baby. That was a good one right there. I want to watch this video. All right, okay. That was a good one.
Yeah, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want to see next. And we'll get this thing going, man. I'm beat, my back shot. But yeah, it was a fun day. We're going to go out soon. I'm putting content out every week. Yeah, that's all she wrote. All right, see you guys next time. Later.